here's some of the protests. Meanwhile, the Democrat challenger, Joe Biden, for the elections, should they go ahead at least this year, has accused President Trump of fanning the flames of hate and turning the US into a battlefield. Let's put some of that to Thomas Del Beccaro, who's former chairman of the Republican Party in California, and joins me now. When we see the situation that's unraveling in the US, what is the president doing to try and calm it? Good morning to you.
Well, and good morning to you. Yeah, well, look, the issue is what level of law and order. Where I live, not far away in California, not far away from me, the police are told to stand by and watch it. So in a very real sense, this is a local issue. Each police force has to do this. Andrew Cuomo ripped de Blasio in New York, Cuomo, governor of New York, for his lack of action. The president has been tough on this, to be sure. There are times he's been pretty rough and tumble about this, and I wish all of our leaders, including the president, would talk in a more calming voice and get on a single page. But at the end of the day, law and order is needed.
Why was it necessary in Washington to use police officers to clear peaceful protesters so he could do a photo call outside of a church?
Well, it's not just any church. It's an important church in American and Washington, D.C. history.
Okay, but why do we need to deploy police officers to get the president safely to and from?
Because things are out of control in some areas.
Why did he need that shot, that photo?
Because in America, those symbols